are watching News Bites Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
MSI, a world leader in producing innovative technology and a gaming giant, introduces a new line of laptops that brings the ultimate shockwave in gaming hardware. The MSI GE66 Raider, GE76 Raider, GS66 Stealth, GP66 Leopard, GP76 Leopard, and Stealth 15M series. The past year may have changed the way we live and work, but that did not hinder MSI in bringing the best technology to the gaming industry. With its upcoming 35th anniversary, the gaming giant is tracing back to the Babylonian mythology and their core spirit, the Tiamat dragon, mother of all dragons, which represents supreme strength and force. As a frontrunner in producing cutting-edge hardware, MSI is continuously driving the latest technology to its users with laptops powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics, providing significant performance enhancement. Learn more on our website, newsbites.ph.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.